Welcome to the video that's going to take you on a wild ride to the top adventure travel destinations for 2023. I'm your host, Mr.Explore, and today we're going to explore some of the coolest, most daring, and totally epic places on Earth. So, get ready to pack your bags, put on your hiking boots, and let's go! Adventure travel has been on the rise for the past few years, and it's not hard to see why. More and more people are seeking unique experiences that take them out of their comfort zones and into new and exciting environments. From the beaches of Bali to the mountains of New Zealand, adventure travel destinations have something to offer to everyone. First up, we have Patagonia, Chile. Located at the southern tip of South America, Patagonia is known for its stunning natural beauty and rugged landscapes. If you're a fan of hiking, kayaking, and glaciers, this is the destination for you. Some of the must-see spots include Torres del Paine National Park and the Perito Moreno Glacier. Next, we have the Azores, Portugal. This group of volcanic islands is a hidden gem that's just waiting to be explored. With opportunities for whale watching, surfing, and hiking, there's something for everyone here. Insider tip: be sure to try the local seafood and wine while you're there. Moving on to Bhutan, a landlocked country in the Himalayas. Bhutan is known for its commitment to sustainability and cultural immersion. If you're looking for a unique adventure that will take you off the beaten path, Bhutan is the place to be. Insider tip: consider visiting during the Paro Chechu festival for an unforgettable cultural experience. Our fourth destination is Tanzania, a country in East Africa known for its stunning wildlife and natural beauty. If you're a fan of safari, Kilimanjaro trekking, and beach relaxation, Tanzania is the perfect destination for you. Insider tip: don't miss the Serengeti National Park and the Ngorongoro Crater. Last but not least, we have Alaska, USA. Known for its rugged wilderness and breathtaking scenery, Alaska is a must-visit destination for adventure travelers. With opportunities for glacier hiking, dog sledding, and northern lights viewing, there's something for everyone here. Insider tip: consider visiting during the summer months for the best weather and wildlife sightings. Now that we've covered the top adventure travel destinations for 2023, let's talk about how to plan your next adventure. When it comes to adventure travel, there are a few things to consider before booking your trip. First, you'll want to think about your budget. Adventure travel can be expensive, so it's important to set a realistic budget and stick to it. Next, you'll want to consider the timing of your trip. Some destinations are best visited during certain times of the year, so be sure to do your research before booking your flights. Finally, safety is always a concern when it comes to adventure travel. Be sure to check travel advisories and take necessary precautions to ensure your safety while traveling. As for my personal favorite resources for finding the best adventure travel deals and experiences, I highly recommend checking out websites like Lonely Planet, TripAdvisor, and Airbnb. These sites offer a wealth of information and can help you plan the adventure of a lifetime. And that's it for our adventure travel destinations video for 2023. I hope you've enjoyed this journey with me and are feeling inspired to plan your next adventure. Remember, adventure is out there. It's up to you to go find it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. I'll see you in the next one.